10th November 2021, Morning Murli, Shanti, Bapdada, Madhupan. Sweet children, Bharat is a pilgrimage place for everyone. Therefore, tell people of all religions about the praise of Bharat, the pilgrimage place. Give everyone the message. Question: by making which effort will your final thoughts lead you to your destination and make you conquerors of sleep? Answer: before you go to sleep at night, first of all, remember the Father and the inheritance and continue to spin the discus of self realization. When you feel sleepy, go to sleep and your final thoughts will lead you to your destination. When you wake up in the morning, you will continue to remember those points. By practicing this, you will become conquerors of sleep. Those who do something will receive the reward of it. The activity of those who do this will become very well known. Song: the reign of knowledge is for those who are with the beloved. Shanti. Those who are with the beloved. There are many fathers in the world, but the Father of all of them is the only Creator. He alone is the ocean of knowledge. Only through knowledge is salvation received. Human beings receive salvation when the golden age is established. Baba alone is called the bestower of salvation. Only when it is the confluence age does the ocean of knowledge come and take you into salvation. At this time, everyone is in degradation. Not everyone has the same state of degradation. Bharat is the most ancient land of all. The 84 births are remembered of those of Bharat. Certainly, it is human beings who come first who would be worthy of taking 84 births. Deities take 84 births and Brahmins take 84 births. Only the main ones are mentioned. In order to make the world new through Brahma, the Father first creates the subtle region. Then the establishment of the new world takes place. Trilokinath means Lord of the three worlds. Is also the one Father. His children can also call themselves Lord of the three worlds. Here, many people have themselves called Trilokinath. They even take double names of deities for themselves, such as Gauri Shankar, Radhe Sham. However, Radha and Krishna belong to separate kingdoms. The intellects of good children are able to imbibe very good points. Clever doctors would have the names of many medicines in their intellects. Here, two new points emerge every day. Those who practice thus will imbibe new points every day. Those who don't imbibe anything cannot be called Maharathis. Everything depends on the intellect, and it is also a question of fortune. It is the drama too. No one knows the drama. Your souls understand your adopt bodies and play your parts. However, no one knows the beginning, middle, or end of the drama. That is, they don't know anything at all. You do have to know it. It is the children's duty to give everyone the Father's introduction. You have to tell the whole world so that none of them can say they didn't know about it. Many will also come from abroad. Arrangements will be made for all of them in Bombay. Those people are powerful. They have a lot of money. They will consider Shiv to be their senior guru. That is why it has been explained that even each of the founders of religions have some sort of part. Children had visions in the beginning. Abraham, Christ, etc. will also come to meet you. Therefore, a field has to be created for them. All tourists continue to visit Bombay. Bharat pulls everyone a lot. In fact, Bharat is the birthplace of the Father. However, by saying God is in everyone, they have lost the importance of the unlimited Father. You now explain Bharat is the greatest pilgrimage place of all. All the founders of religions come to establish their own religions. Then all those of each religion follow them down. It is now the end, and everyone is trying to return home. However, ask them who brought them down here. Christ established Christianity. So, did he pull you down here? Everyone is now distressed and wants to go back home. Everyone comes to play his own part. Having played their parts, they finally have go to into sorrow. It is then the Father's task to liberate you from sorrow and to take you into happiness. Bharat is the birthplace of the Father. Only you children know the importance of this. Those who know this feel intoxicated. Baba comes into Bharat every cycle. Tell everyone this and also invite them. No one knows the knowledge of creation, therefore become serviceable and glorify your name. This fair will be held everywhere. They continue to ask for the help of clever children. They continue to chant their names. They chant the name of Shri Baba and also the name of Brahma Baba, and thirdly the names of children such as Kumar Kha, Gange, Manohar. On the path of devotion, they turn the beads of a rosary. Here they chant these names through their lips. So and so is very serviceable and egoless. She is very sweet and doesn't have any body consciousness. It is said when you give love, you receive love. The Father says you have now become unhappy. If you remember me, I will help you. If you have any dislike, it means you dislike yourself and won't receive a status. You receive so much wealth. When someone wins a lottery, he becomes so happy. There are so many prizes in that lottery. It also had second and third prizes. This too is a godly race. This is a race of knowledge and yoga. And those who are fast will become a garland around the neck and will sit close to the throne. All of you are karma yogis. You must also look after your homes. Study in class for an hour and then go home and revise it. They do the same at school. They study at school and then revise it at home. The Father says study for an hour or half an hour. There are 8 hours in a day, out of which time the Father says study for an hour or even half an hour. Or you can even sit in class for 15 or 20 minutes. Imbibe that and then engage yourselves in business. Earlier, Baba used to make you sit and said, sit in remembrance of Baba and spin the discus of self-realization. You have the knowledge of remembrance. If, while remembering the Father and the inheritance and spinning the discus of self-realization, you see that you are falling asleep, go to sleep. Then your final thoughts will lead you to your destination. Then, when you wake up in the morning, you will remember those same points. By practicing this, you will become conquerors of sleep. Those who do something will receive the reward. It is visible in those who do something and their activities become well known. It would be seen that so and so chants and imbibes knowledge. He doesn't have any greed, etc. These are old bodies. You mustn't worry about yours too much. It will remain well when you totally imbibe knowledge and yoga. If you don't imbibe anything, the body will continue to decay even more. By gradually decaying, it will become totally buried in the graveyard. You are to receive new bodies in the future. The souls have to be made pure. These old bodies are like dirty dresses. No matter how much powder you put on, they are still not worthy a penny. You are all now engaged to Shri Baba. On a girl's wedding day, she first wears old clothes. You must no longer decorate your body with physical makeup. If you decorate yourselves with knowledge and yoga, you will become angels. Thus is the lake of knowledge. Continue to take a deep in knowledge, and you will become the angels of heaven. Subjects would not be called angels. They say Krishna abducted women and made them into empresses and queens. It wouldn't be said that he abducted them and made them into cremators of the subjects. He abducted them to make them into queens. You should also make such effort. You mustn't just become happy with whatever you receive. This is a school. The main thing here is to study. Many have a Gita Pathshala. They sit and read the Gita and make others learn it by heart. Someone would take up a verse and then expand on it. Some just read it, whereas others would take up a verse and give a lecture on it for half an hour or 45 minutes. There is no benefit in that. Here, the Father himself sits and teaches you. Your aim and objective is clear. There is no aim or objective in studying the scriptures. Continue to make effort. However, what will you receive? People find God when they perform a lot of devotion. Certainly, day comes after night. People show different lengths of time for the cycle. You need power to be able to explain to them. You have to do everything with the power of yoga. If you are unable to do that, it means you don't have any power, that you don't have yoga. Baba helps the children who are immersed in yoga. Whatever is fixed in the drama, it continues to repeat. Whatever happened in the past will continue to tick away second by second. We act accordingly to Srimad. If you don't follow Srimad, you won't become elevated. It is number wise. Those people think they should all unite, but they don't know the meaning of that. What should they become one of? Should they all become one father of all, become brothers? If they say they should become brothers, that is fine. We truly can become one by following Srimad. All of you are following the directions of one. Your father, teacher, and guru is just the one. Those who don't follow Srimad fully will not able to become elevated. If you don't follow at all, you will be finished. Only those who are worthy and clever are selected for a race. They keep the best horse for an important race because there is a huge lottery at stake. This too is a human horse race. They show the horse of Hussein. There are two types of violence. The number one violence is the sword of the lust, which has been killing you and others for half the cycle. No one knows about violence. Even sannyasis don't understand it. They simply say it is a vice. The father says, children, lust is the greatest enemy. It causes you sorrow from its beginning through the middle to its end. You have to prove ours is the family path and it is Raj Yoga. Theirs is Hatha Yoga. We learn Hatha Yoga from Shankaracharya. We learn Raj Yoga from Shivacharya. As you make further progress, you will definitely be revealed. Some ask the question, if deities take 84 births in 5000 years, how many births do Christians take? It has been 2000 years since Christ existed, and so just calculate how many births on average that is. It is clear there would be 30 to 32 births. Those who experience a lot of happiness also experience a lot of sorrow. Those of other religions experience less happiness and less sorrow. An average calculation should be made. You would speak about the birth of the mean preceptors. Those who come later take fewer births. You can even calculate this for Buddha and Abraham. Perhaps there would be a difference of one or two births. You cannot tell accurately, but you can explain approximately. All of these things have to be shown. What would you explain if someone were to ask you? Just tell them, first of all, remember the father because you have to claim your inheritance from him. You will take as many births as you took before. Claim your inheritance from the father. Explain very well. It takes effort. The children in Bombay are making a lot of effort because they have to become very successful. A clever intellect is needed for that. There has to be a lot of love for Baba's wealth. Some don't take any wealth at all. Take the jewels of knowledge and imbibe them. Some still say, what can I do? I don't understand anything. If you don't understand, that is your destiny. Acha, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bapdada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children says Namaste and good morning to the spiritual father. Essence for the dharana. First point, in order to keep your body well, imbibe knowledge and yoga. Don't be greedy for anything. Decorate yourself with knowledge and yoga, but not with any physical decoration. Second point, definitely study for an hour or half an hour. Race in knowledge and yoga. Blessing. May you be constantly victorious by knowing the secrets in everyone's hearts and pleasing them. Explanation. In order to be victorious, know the secrets in each one's heart. By listening to the sounds emerging from someone's lips, you can know the secrets of his or her heart, and you can be victorious. However, in order to know the secrets of someone's heart, you need introversion to the extent that you are introverted. You will accordingly be able to know the secrets of their hearts and please them. Those who please others become victorious. Slogan. This interest is such fertile land that whatever you plant there will definitely be fruitful. Om Shanti